Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact motherboard model and current BIOS version so you don't flash the wrong image. Once done, download the matching BIOS file and Gigabyte utility, then copy it to a FAT32 USB stick. Make sure BitLocker is disabled and Windows updates are paused. This prevents interruptions. Plug the power supply into a UPS or ensure continuous mains power, because losing power during a flash can brick the board. Now boot into Windows and open Gigabyte Control Center. In the app, choose the BIOS Update or QFlash feature and point it to the file on your USB. You will see version numbers. Compare new versus current so you verify compatibility and avoid downgrades. Start the update and then watch the percentage and status messages. Gigabyte's tool will handle extraction and writing. Do not power down, let the system sleep, or run stress software. Those actions threaten success. The board may reboot several times. This is normal and signals the flash is progressing. Once the update completes and the system posts, enter the BIOS setup to load optimized defaults and then reapply custom settings such as boot order, XMP, or fan profiles. If the system fails to post, clear the CMOS using the jumper or removing the battery for 30 seconds, then retry the flash with a verified USB image. If instability continues, restore the previous BIOS from backup or contact Gigabyte support with your board model and any error codes. This preserves hardware and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.